Hey everybody, this is Sully with 5 Freaking Onion Rings. If you have a Chevy Volt, like a Gen 1, and you hear a clicking sound, and I'm going to demonstrate it in a second, hopefully you can hear it from inside the car, but it's a clicking sound. It sounds like a relay, and it just tick, and you might feel it, you might not. There's a small vibration. I'm going to unplug the audio so you can hear it, hopefully. It will come through in this, and I'll show you how to fix it in just a second. So I'm unplugging the audio. Now we're using the phone's microphone, which you can hear some of the road noise, and hopefully I might have to accentuate it, but let's see here. When I hit the brake, see, I let off, I'm not hearing it, but hit the brake, there it is. Click. Click, 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 click. And what that is the castle nut on your axle. For me, it's my front left axle. The Gen 1 Volts have a nut that will work its way loose. There is a fix for it. It's a pretty easy fix in going to the dealership to get a new nut that has a locking washer. But the easiest fix is to jump over and do the next procedure, which I will show you. Okay, so if you drive a Volt and you've noticed that you have a little click when you're braking, or when you are when you're braking or when you're accelerating, there'll be a little click. What you need is a 32 millimeter socket and 165 or 185 foot-pounds of torque. This castle nut inside gets a tiny bit loose. It has been updated, so I just haven't had the chance to go to the dealership. But if you crank it to I have to check the specs and I'll put it on the screen, but if you crank that to about 180 or so, it will absolutely stop being a pain in the keister. There we go. And at 150, it will be okay until I can get to the dealership. But that nut is what, or not that, where is it? That nut. That nut is what's causing the problem. There is an updated version of it, the dealership. It's about $15, and you don't even have to take your tires off to fix that. So that's my tip for today.